Hello friends, welcome back to Kidtica. Earlier we have learned about nouns. There are many types of nouns. Now, firstly let us find out about common noun and proper noun. Common noun. A common noun names a general person, animal, bird, place or a thing. For example, I went to the city. Here the word city is a common noun. The man was kind. The word man is a common noun. Few more examples like cat, brick, park, boy, teacher, school, child, puppy, bag, etc. are common nouns. Proper noun. A proper noun names a special person, animal, bird, place or a thing. We always have to use a capital letter for the first letter of the proper noun. For example, I went to Kerala. Here, Kerala is a proper noun. Biju was a kind man. Biju is a proper noun. Few more examples of proper noun are Aman, Patches, St. Thomas School, India, Himalayas, Taj Mahal, London, MS Dhoni, etc. Now let us take a look at this story. Raju sells balloon in the park. His balloons are of various colors, red, blue, green and many more. Karan wants some balloons for his birthday party. He tells his father, I want to go to Udan Park and buy balloons from Raju. Karan's little sister, Meena, claps her hand. She loves balloons. Karan's father says, I have to go to Reena shoe shop and to the market, so we will go by car. I shall drive down Nehru Road so that we reach the park easily. The little boy and girl are very happy. This was a small story. Now let us find out some common noun and proper nouns from the story. Proper nouns are Raju, red, blue, green, Karan, Udan Park, Meena, Reena, Nehru Road, as they are names of specific things. And the common nouns are park, colors, party, balloon, hands, boy, girl, father, sister, market, car. These are all common nouns because they are general names. Okay, so this was all about common nouns and proper nouns. I hope you all liked the video. Just press like button and a thumbs up. Hit subscribe for more such videos. Till then, bye bye. See you.